Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. Here is my Easter collab with EXO KSR Beauty. If you want to see how I got this look, please keep on watching. I will link all her information below as well. Happy Easter everyone and stay safe. Alright, let's get started. So one eye is done. I'm going to take my Morphe concealer. I will post the color in my description box. I got this from Charm, and this is actually my first time using it. So I'm applying that as my primer. Then I'm going to take my concealer buffer and blend that out all over my lid. Now I'm going to take my Sacha Buttercup setting powder and I'm going to set my concealer. Alright, now I'm going to take my Laura Sanchez Mood Palette. I'm going to take this rose color here and apply that in my transition area. I got this from an ISB glam bag as an add-on sometime last year. I think I paid like $13 for it and I really love these colors. Then I'm going to take the darker pink and blend that in with that rose gold. Alright, now I'm going to take my LA Pro Concealer highlighter as my base. And I'm going to take my Wet n Wild concealer brush and I'm just going to stamp that in. Stamp that on my lid to cut my crease. After I was cutting my crease here, I realized that I did it a little bit too high. So I took a Q-tip with some micellar water just to try to make them be the same. But it's really hard to get both of my eyes to be the same. I always have one higher and lower. And my right eye, I always do a better job versus the left, which is weird. So I'm going to take this purple shade with my e.l.f. blending brush and I'm going to pack that onto my outer V and blend it into my inner part of my eye for my halo. Next I'm going to take a flat shader brush and I'm going to pack on this blue. I got inspiration for this look on Google when I was looking for Easter looks, and I just used different colors than she did, and it doesn't look exactly the same as hers, but yeah. So I'm just going to blend out my edges. Now I'm going to take my Starlit Studio Electric Shock Metallic Pink, Purple, and Blue, and I'm using that to make my Easter eggs. I'm just taking a paintbrush. I don't have the best steady hand, especially when you're trying to draw stuff on your own face. I tried to make them as oval as I could, but it's easier said than done. It probably would have been better if I had a thinner liquid and a skinnier brush, but yeah. But overall, I think I did a pretty good job for the first attempt. Okay, now you can take any color eyeshadow you have to match the paint, just to set it so it doesn't crack. And then you could take any colored eyeliner you have for your design. So I'm just drawing some straight lines, then a swirl and dots. You can use any colors that you want. Now I'm going to take my NYX white liquid eyeliner and I'm going to outline my crease for my grass. Next I'm going to take this green liquid eyeliner from my grass and then I'm going to go and take yellow in between the green. This step is optional, but I just feel like, I don't know, I saw the other girl do it, so I figured why not I do it too, but you don't have to do that, you can just leave it alone with the Easter eggs. I'm just taking the yellow to bring it out. Now I'm just going to take this Wonder Swipe eyeliner from Rimmel, and I'm not doing like a major wing, I'm just doing a tiny wing, tiny liner. But again, if you're wearing lashes, you probably don't need to do liner, but I don't wear lashes, so liner it is. Now I'm going to take this LA Girl Shockwave eyeliner from my waterline. Then I'm going to go back into that mood palette and take that green smoke on my lower lash line. Oh my god, you guys, I missed wearing a full face so much, but with the shelter in place and wearing a mask at work, it doesn't make sense for me to even wear foundation in my contour and my highlighter. Okay guys, this is my favorite mascara thus far, the best mascara I've ever had. I don't remember if I got it in the It's Be Gone bag or BoxyCharm, but this is from Thrive Cosmetics Lash Extensions Mascara, and it like literally makes your lashes appear fuller and longer. Like I already have long lashes, but it just really brings them out, and it's better than any mascara that I've ever used. It is so easy to remove. Like I've been getting compliments on my lashes all week since I've been using this. People ask me, you get a new mascara? Or your lashes look so good. So yeah, I love it. Then I'm going to take this NYX loose pigment to highlight the inner part of my eye. I wanted to put some yellow in there somewhere, and I also use that for my brow bone. And now I'm going to take my NYX Nebula lip liner to line my lips. And then for my lips today, I'm using my NYX Cosmic Metals Metallic Lip Cream in Asteroid Aura. I missed wearing lipstick too. I haven't worn lipstick in like 2 weeks. Whew. Can't wait for this stuff to be over. Now I'm going to set my face using my Maybelline Lasting Fix Setting Spray. And if you're going to wear this look for extended period of time, I recommend taking some translucent setting powder and pat it onto the eggs. I didn't do that because I'm not going anywhere. Then I'm going to fan my face. And there you have it, guys. Here's the completed look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Came out better than I thought. You know, I wasn't expecting it to come out so well, and then I really didn't know what colors I wanted to use. I've changed my mind like 3 times. But I hope you guys are being safe out there, and I have my bunny ears and I got my butterfly. You can do whatever you want. And this video is over, but the music is still playing. If you like it, you can listen. If not, you can click off. I really appreciate also the support. Thank you guys so much for watching, and stay safe. And check out my new video that I'll be uploading next week. Also a spring look. Love you guys so much. Thank you for all the support. Don't forget to check out XOKSR Beauty channel. Love you guys. Bye.